If you're looking for a versatile and affordable next-gen robot cleaner, then the Dreame L10S Ultra is definitely worth considering. The cleaner has impressed me with its smart features, versatility and sleek design. In this video review I will share my experiences with the Dreame L10S Ultra and highlight some of its standout features. While iRobot used to dominate, Dreame has definitely made a name for itself with its innovative solutions and has therefore become a significant player. They are one of the manufacturers producing vacuum cleaners for Xiaomi, alongside brands like Roborock and Viomi. What makes the Dreame special? Well, first of all, it comes with a base station, but secondly, it automates various tasks. The device can automatically empty the dust into a bag, refill the water tank, and clean and dry the mop. All the components are neatly concealed behind a flap, which also features a handy quick start guide on the inside. Another one of Dreame's standout feature are its two long-haired round mops. These mops rotate at an impressive speed of 180 RPM and exert downward pressure, resulting in more effective cleaning than regular short-haired mops. When the vacuum cleaner encounters a carpeted area, it automatically lifts the mop. After use, the mop can be dried with hot air for up to 2 hours without any disruptive noise.
Start cleaning mop pads.
In terms of appearance, the Dreame L10S Ultra follows the standard characteristics of basically any robot cleaner, with a round disc-shaped body and front-facing cameras, including a LiDAR scanner and an RGB camera. The bottom section features a rubber brush, a rotating side brush, and two large rotating discs that serve as a sweeping or mopping function. These components can be easily removed thanks to magnets. Now, the base station, with its brushed silver front, houses the two water tanks of approximately 2.5 liters each and a cleaning solution reservoir and a 3-liter dust bag. Refilling or emptying these tanks is only required infrequently. The maintenance of the vacuum cleaner itself is minimal, involving weekly emptying or refilling of the water tanks. However, additional costs should be considered for purchasing, for example, dust bags, cleaning solution, or for example brushes after a while. Setting up and using the Dreame L10S Ultra with the Dreame app or Xiaomi Home app is straightforward. I opted for the Xiaomi Mi Home app because of its friendly user interface and my existing automations. Adding the vacuum cleaner to the app involves a series of questions, such as whether I have pets and which rooms I want to assign. The fast mapping feature provides a quick initial floor plan, which can be further refined during subsequent cleaning sessions. The app allows customization, enabling me to position furniture on a 3D representation of my house and specify areas to avoid. I can also select extra thorough cleaning for high traffic areas. The app also offers settings for handling baseboards and furniture, adjusting the mop's dampness and changing the suction power. For example, I could specify a double pass with increased water for the hallway due to shoe dirt accumulation. Once the setup is complete, cleaning with the L10S Ultra from Dreame is a breeze. And I can start vacuum cleaning by giving voice commands through Siri, for example, but also Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The LiDAR sensor enables effective navigation even in low light conditions, while the RGB camera with object recognition can identify and avoid small obstacles and flat objects like doormats or even pet feces. What I noticed is that with each use, the robot cleaner became smarter and it improved its ability to avoid certain objects. After a few days, the dirt water tank was considerably filled with murky water. The tank needs to be emptied every 2 weeks, while the clean water tank requires refilling. The robot uses plain water for mopping and a cleaning solution cartridge to clean the mops afterward. A cartridge should last for several weeks. While it's possible to refill the cartridge with your own solution, the manufacturer, for obvious reasons, does not recommend it. The round mops don't require manual cleaning as the Dreame handles this automatically. However, occasionally washing the mops in a washing machine is still advisable. During the cleaning process, the vacuum cleaner uses its camera to detect obstacles. If something obstructs its path, it takes a photo for future reference. If I had indicated that I have pets, the vacuum cleaner would be more cautious to avoid encountering waste. Overall, I'm highly satisfied with this robot cleaner. It provides efficient cleaning with its powerful suction, and the rubber brush is easier to clean compared to hairy brushes found in most other robot cleaners. While picking up hair may require a bit more effort, they are less likely to get tangled. The rotating mops, which exert downward pressure and undergo cleaning between sessions, deliver superior results compared to the vacuum cleaners that rely on a single dirty mop throughout the week. Moreover, the battery life of the Dreame L10S Ultra is commendable. In the silent mode, in my situation, it can operate for up to 200 minutes, which is more than sufficient for cleaning my living, kitchen and hallway areas. In my case, weekly maintenance proved adequate due to the smaller surface area. However, when mopping on multiple floors, some challenges may rise. Moving the Dreame between floors and returning it to the base station after cleaning would require manual effort. It is therefore advisable to position the base station on the primary mopping floor. This allows the Dreame L10S Ultra to easily return for mop cleaning and refilling the relatively small 80mm water reservoir. In conclusion, the L10S Ultra from Dreame definitely impressed me with its versatility, sleek design and performance. With its array of features, sleek design and user-friendly experience, it represents a significant advancement in the world of vacuum cleaners. The product has a few points that should be considered. It has ongoing cost for dust bags and replacement brushes, and there are not many spare parts included. It's also pretty bulky and only available in white, limiting options for those with smaller or colorful homes. Mopping on multiple floors is also a struggle. The Dreame app offers fewer features compared to the Mi Home app, which is an alternative option that I prefer myself. Bottom line, if you're searching or seeking a affordable, efficient and reliable cleaning solution for at home, then I can highly recommend the Dreame L10S Ultra. In case you don't have a large home, then I highly advise you to take a look at this video over here. I've made it a couple months ago and it might be interesting to you. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a like and consider subscribing in case you haven't already, so that I see you in the next one.